Now I would like to call upon for a short speech by our sponsors. First, I would like to call upon Mr. Harun Qasim. He is MD Farm Evo. Mr. Harun Qasim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me, Shoaib sir, Mohsin, and congratulations to all the participants जिन्होंने ये complete किया अपना entrepreneurship boot camp. I think Memon Professional Forum के लिए I would say कि it's a dream come true because the objective Memon Professional Forum का शुरू दिन से था जो हमारे elders ने जब शुरू किया था a few decades ago. The whole objective ये था कि भाई हम अपनी community में किस तरीके से professional education और entrepreneurship को कैसे हम propagate करें. तो I think when I was the president और जब आसिफ भाई भी president था हमेशा हमारा यही dream था कि what could be the significant contribution which we as professionals can do. So I think वो सहरा शोएब भाई ने अपने सर ले लिया with of course with the support of Mohsin. I think this is, as I said, dream come true, and I think inshallah our support is there to continue this journey. और जैसे आप लोगों ने you've already volunteered to continue this journey for all the Memons who जो young हमारे Memons हैं who can come and entrepreneurship में अपना सिक्का जमाएं. I would just say कि entrepreneurship is all about taking risk. आप जितने भी यहाँ लोग मौजूद हैं जो select हुए हैं with the sheer commitment and dedication, so you took one step of taking risk, and you need to continue that the journey of taking risks. It's all about risk taking in entrepreneurship. When you're working 9 to 5 as somebody's as an employee, that's a different subject. Entrepreneurship is a different ball game. You need a lot of consistency, confidence, and risk-taking abilities. I would advise all of you who are went through this session, you have already decided to take the risk. Take that risk, take that challenge, but be very focused on what you do. Be persistent what you are doing. Be consistent on many on things which you want to do. The name of the game is focus. If you lose the focus, you want to do many things at one time, will not lead you anywhere. Actually, will probably will be futile exercise. So one piece of advice that I would give before I submit my closure, that be 100% focused. If you have taken this as a challenge, be focused on whatever business you want to do, and inshallah I can always pray and also can kind of guarantee that if you keep your focus, the results will come, and Almighty will also support you. So my all the best wishes to the participants who successfully completed, and I'm sure that every one of you will have a successful entrepreneurship profession, career, and that we can proud of that we were part and parcel of your success and your career, and you can continue this journey as well for others participants. So my all the best wishes. Thanks to the lead players, Adil and his colleague Prem, for wonderfully conducting this. I was part of one of the session, and I think they did a brilliant job. So we need their support as well, inshallah. And my support is there, and I'm sure Asif bhai ko bhi main convince karunga कि we can continue this journey and make a difference in the community as well. So all the best, and thank you very much.